Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Autel Charge app for smart charging setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that the Autel Charge app is installed on your device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. Look for the login button, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered email address in the username field. Next, input your password in the designated area. If you have forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it. Once you have filled in your credentials, double-check for any typing errors. If everything looks correct, tap the login button to access your account. Wait a moment as the app processes your login request. After a successful login, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you can set up your smart charging options. Explore the various features available to customize your charging experience. Should you encounter any issues while logging in, look for troubleshooting tips in the app's help section. Following these steps will ensure a smooth login process to the Autel Charge app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.